Rekha, kindly mute yourself.
Okay, ma'am. Understand.
Okay. So, clap up, clap right, clap down, clap left. Oh, okay. So, shall we start with the quiz now? Okay. So, I'll just start sharing my screen and we'll start, okay?
Yes, ma'am, please.
Just a second. Yeah. So, everyone can see my screen. So, what I'm going to do is, I am going to make the, I am
Ma'am,
going
this is the quiz time.
Yeah. So, how many students are there? Let me check. Prakhar, Prabhansh, and Prabhansh, and Vrinda, and Karnav. 4. So, we'll divide them in 2 groups. Okay. One is Prabhansh and Karnav, and second group is Prakhar and Vrinda. Is it okay? Have you understood your teams?
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. So, let me write Prabhansh and Karnav. And Vrinda and over there, Vrinda and Prakhar, right? So there will be questions. You all have one lifeline. For example, if you fail to answer any question and you think that you need someone to help, you can ask Lisha to help you and she'll be available to your team only for once. Is it okay? She'll help you
Okay,
only
ma'am.
once. So you can discuss with each other very easily. For example, if someone knows answer from your team, no, the other team isn't supposed to unmute himself. The other team isn't any participant from other team isn't supposed to unmute. So the thing is that after once you have, for example, Kanav knows the answer. He will tell the answer, and after that, the other participant is to say that I agree or that I don't agree. The answer can be this. They both have 10 seconds to answer each. Okay. They all have got 15 seconds to answer each question. And the answer will be passed on to the another team. If you are unable to answer, question will be passed on to the another team if you aren't able to answer. Is it okay? Are the rules clear, everyone? Okay, so shall we start? So the first question is for Prabhansh and Kanav. Which of the following is not something that all animals need to survive? The options are oxygen, food, water, and carbon dioxide. Prabhansh and Kanav, if you know.
Oxygen.
Which of the following is not something that all animals need not to survive? Need to survive. ऐसी कौन सी चीज है जो सभी ऑर्गेनिजम्स को नहीं चाहिए जीने के लिए? So Kanav has spoken. What?
Carbon dioxide.
Okay, so do you agree, Prabhansh? Do you agree with this answer? So shall I mark this as the correct answer? Kanav and Prabhansh, kindly tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is the correct answer and this team has been given with 5 marks. Okay. So the next question is for another team, Vrinda and Prekhar. How many players are there in a cricket team? I repeat.
I'm 11. I'm 11.
Okay, so do you agree, Vrinda?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is also the correct answer. Both the teams are on the same score, 5 and 5. Okay, so shall I continue to the next question? Next question is for Prabhansh and Kanav. Which is the world's largest continent?
Asia.
Okay, so do you agree, Prabhansh?
Yes.
Okay, so this answer is also correct. The largest continent is Asia. So you have been scored with 5 marks. Next question is for Vrinda and Prakhar, sorry. Which is the largest organ in the human body? Option 1, lungs. Option 2, skin. Option 3, kidneys. And option 4, brain.
Skin.
Skin. Okay, so do you agree, Prakhar? Prakhar, do you
Yes,
agree?
ma'am.
Okay, so this is also the correct answer. The largest organ in human body is skin. So both are with the same marks. So next question is for Prabhansh and Kanav. Which is the biggest animal on earth? कौन सा एनिमल सबसे बड़ा है जो कि अर्थ पे पाया जाता है? एलिफेंट, एंटार्क्टिक ब्लू व्हेल, जिराफ और हिप्पोपोटामस?
Antarctic blue whale.
So do you agree, Prabhansh, with the answer that Kanav has given?
Yes.
Okay, so again, this is the correct answer. The answer is Antarctic blue whale. Okay, so the next question is for Vrinda and Prakhar. Which is the largest hot desert in the world? Vrinda and Prakhar, be fast. The options are Arctic desert, Antarctic desert, Sahara desert, and Gobi desert.
Antarctic desert.
Okay, so this was the answer by Prakhar, right? So Vrinda, what do you think?
Right.
I'm talking about the hot
Agree.
desert, remember.
Agree.
Sorry, this is the wrong answer. Antarctic desert is the largest desert, but it is a cold desert, not a hot desert. So the correct answer is Sahara desert. What? Okay.
Sahara.
Yes, the correct answer is Sahara desert. So no marks have been given for this round to Vrinda and Prakhar. So next question for Prabhansh and Kanav. Which is the smallest bone in the human body? Stapes, femur, tailbone, or ribs? What do you think will be the correct answer?
Stapes.
Stapes. Okay, so what do you think, Prabhansh?
Yes.
Is the stapes correct answer? Okay, so you are right, Kanav. Kanav and Prabhansh, the answer is stapes. Next question for Vrinda and Prakhar. River Nile flows through how many countries? 10, 7, 8 or 5? Be fast.
7.
So do you agree, Prakhar?
Yes, ma'am. 7.
Sorry, but this is the wrong answer. The correct answer is 10. So both have been round also 0 marks. Okay. So next question for Prabhansh and Kanav. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru, Indira Gandhi, Bhagat Singh or Subhash Chandra Bose?
Jawaharlal Nehru.
What do you think, Prabhansh?
Ma'am, no.
Then what would be the answer? Prabhansh, what should be the answer? Prabhansh? What should be the answer according to you?
But ma'am, I can tell you the definition also.
So shall I mark Jawaharlal Nehru?
Yes.
Yes, Kanav, it's the right answer. Okay, so next question for Vrinda and Prakhar, okay? Which state is known as the fruit bowl of India? Himachal Pradesh, Kerala, Punjab or Tamil Nadu? Vrindan Prakho.
Himachal Pradesh.
Ma'am, Okay.
Pradesh.
Okay, this is also the correct answer. So 5 marks has been given to Vrindan
Good
Prakho.
afternoon, Didi.
So, good afternoon, Gurek. So, Gurek has also joined us. So, I think we should put Gurek in the team of Vrinda and Prakhar. Am I right? Gurek, will you be in their team?
My teammate or
Okay. So, now the next question for Prabhansh and Kanav. What is the name of this beautiful monument?
Taj Mahal.
So, do you agree, Prabhansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so this is also the correct answer. 5 marks to Prabhansh and Kanav. Next question for Vrinda, Gurek and Prakho. Name this famous. Yeah, this is also the correct answer. So the next question for Prabhansh and Kanav. Who is popularly known as the Iron Man of India? Time is running, be fast.
I don't think I have this answer. I don't think I have this answer.
Sorry, but time is up now, Kanav and Prabhansh. So the question has been passed to Gurek, Vrinda and Prakho. What do you think? What is the answer?
Vallabhbhai Patel.
Yeah, correct, Gurek. So 5 marks to this team and 0 marks to Prabhansh and Kanav for this question. So the next question is for Gurek, Vrinda and Prakhar themselves. The young of kangaroo is known as joy, cub, pup or a baby.
Ma'am Joy.
Okay, so the others agree? Shall I mark it as a final? Okay, so this is also the correct answer by Vrinda and Prakhar. Next question for Prabhansh and Kanav. The young one of an elephant is calf, joy, cub or a kitten?
Cup.
What?
Cup.
Cub. Okay, so what do you think, Prabhansh? Prabhansh, are you there? So shall I mark it as final, Kanav?
No, calf. Calf is the final.
Okay, so this is the correct answer by Kanav. Yes, I just wanted to tell that one more helper is there with us, Sejal Pahuja. So you can address Lisha or Sejal Pahuja, anyone you want, okay? If you have any query. If you can use anyone at one time, okay? So the next question for Gurek, Vrinda and Prakhar. Dash is celebrated as the birth of Jesus Christ.
Christmas.
Okay, so others.
25th December.
Yeah, correct. The answer is Christmas. So 5 marks to the team 2. Okay. So next question for Prabhansh and Kanav. The longest river in India is Ganga, Brahmaputra, Indus or Godavari river?
Ganga.
Correct answer. The next question for group 2. Who is the first citizen of India? President, Prime Minister, MLA or common man?
Common man.
Others agree? No googling please. मुझे पता चल रहा है गूगल कर रहे हैं कई बच्चे.
Ma'am, president.
Who said it?
President. My answer is no. The answer is common man. Common man.
Okay, so the majority is for common man. So I'll take it as common man, but the answer is wrong. The answer is president. So the first president of India is always the president. Okay.
मैम मैंने बोला था प्रेसिडेंट.
But the majority was over there, Prakhar. चलो कुछ नहीं होता. Next question for group 1. What is the name of this famous painting?
I don't know.
You don't know. So what about, at least you can try, Kanav. Prabhansh, do you know? Or you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
ask the helper, Kanav. Kanav, you can ask the helper even.
Yes.
So if I think Prabhansh knows, Prabhansh, what is the answer? The helpers are Lisha and Sejal. So if you want, you can ask them. I am giving 5 seconds. If you can ask the helper or tell the answer.
I won't help. I will ask helper.
So which one, Lisha or Sejal?
Lisha.
Lisha. So what would be the answer?
Mona Lisa.
So is it correct? Kanav, shall I take Mona Lisa?
Yes.
Okay, so the answer is correct. It's Mona Lisa. So the helper by team 1 has been used. They cannot use them again. So group 2 has a helper choice once again. Okay. So the next question.
Yeah.
How do you relate to your maternal grandfather? This is for group 2. How do you relate to your maternal grandfather? Mother's father, mother's grandfather, father's father, or father's grandfather?
Ma'am, father's father.
Father's father.
Ma'am, mother's father.
Mother's father.
Mother's fathers.
How many say for mother's father?
Ma'am, Prakhar.
Prakhar and Vrinda. Okay, so it's correct. It's mother's father. Next question for group 1. Which organ purifies your blood?
Heart.
Okay, Kanav says heart. And what about Prabhansh? Prabhansh? Prabhansh, are you there? Because I don't think you are there. Prakhar, please mute yourself. Yes, Prabhansh, what would be the answer? Do you think it's heart? Unmute yourself.
Final, that is hard.
And Prabhansh, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Prabhansh. Yes, do you think it will be heart?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, but the answer is kidneys. Kidneys purifies our blood. Heart pumps the blood, but kidneys purifies it. Okay?
But actually, that lungs purify. No, heart
See which
purifies.
participants please
Heart
tell
doesn't
are in group
purifies.
1 and group 2.
Kidneys.
Yeah, kidneys purifies the blood. And heart pumps the blood. Okay, Kanav? A new journal knowledge added. Okay?
Okay.
Next question for group 2. The group 2 participants are Gurik, Vrinda and Prakhar. Okay?
Okay.
The question is, the brain of a computer is mouse, CPU, hard disk, or CPU?
CPU.
Okay, this is the correct answer. Next question for Prabhansh and Kanav. Which is the tallest statue in the world? Prabhansh?
Didi, I know. Didi, I know.
But Gurik, it's the question for another team.
Yes, when the question will be asked, then I'll
The Statue of Liberty.
Sorry, Kanav, it is the second tallest statue in the world. The new statue has been made in India 1 or 2 years ago, named as Statue of Unity, and it is of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So the next question for group 2. Which is the densest jungle in the world? Australian temperate forest, taiga, Southeast Asia, or Amazon basin? Group 2, be fast.
Amazon basin, I think.
No, ma'am.
Prakhar says
No.
Amazon. What do you think?
Ma'am, Amazon.
Okay, so this is the correct answer. The answer is Amazon basin only. Next question for group 1. Who is the father of a nation? Very easy.
Mahatma Gandhi.
Yeah, the correct answer.
Group
Group 2, which is the smallest state in India? Goa, Mizoram,
Goa.
Sikkim, or Meghalaya?
Goa. Ma'am,
Goa.
Goa.
Yeah, the correct answer. Yes, Goa. Next question for group 1. A place where bees are kept is called. The options are front of you.
Hut.
What?
Hut.
Sorry, it's the wrong answer. The answer is every. Okay. Next question for group 2. Young one of horse is called. Young one.
Cold.
Are you sure? Vrinda, are you sure?
Yes.
Yes, it's the
Cold
correct
and
answer.
slow.
It's the correct answer. Next question. The biggest sea animal is whale, dolphin, starfish, or seahorse? What?
Whale.
Okay. And what do you think, Prabhansh?
Ma'am, it is final because in land animals also whale. In animals, whale is all big. That's why it is whale answer.
Yeah, it's the correct answer. So the next question. Which is the largest state of India? For group 2. Be fast. Group 2, which is the largest scale of India? State of India.
Maharashtra.
Rajasthan.
No.
Tell.
I know, ma'am.
But it's the question.
Rajasthan.
Good. It's Rajasthan.
On map it is Rajasthan.
Yeah,
In map.
correct. So the next question for group 1. Oh, sorry, the quiz has over. So these were the all questions. So did you all enjoy it?
Yes.
So,
Yes.
so I'll tell the results. Just let me count.
Yes.
If you have any query, you can ask. Yes, the same time. Okay, so see you all tomorrow. See you all tomorrow at 2 o'clock. And okay, bye for now.
Bye.
But
Yes, Kanav.
I have tuition at 2.
Ma'am.